Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So this is a weekly candle chart, and as you all know that when market closes in a week, after that we will analysis on weekly candle chart for looking for the larger trend. After that we will going to look into 1 day candle and 15-minute candle for taking any kind of trade. So in weekly candle chart you can clearly see here that from the last 5 to 6 weeks it continuously shows negative movement here, and in the last 2 weeks it shows kind of negative movement and it try to close below 40,000 level, which previously act as a major support level. So if on Monday it breaks that 40,000 level and trades below 40,000, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 38,000 for the week. And for taking any kind of buying trade, it needs to close above 41,500 or 600. Then after that you can expect any kind of buying trade. Now let's look into 1 day candle for taking any kind of trade. So in 1 day candle chart you can clearly see here that from the last 5 to 6 days it continuously shows negative movement here, and on expiry day it market goes sideways, and on Friday it kind of shows negative movement and try to closes below that 40,000 level. So if Monday market continuously trades below 39,800 or 900 and below that, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and our first target will be 39,600. Next target we can set to 39,450. And for taking any kind of buying trade, first of all it needs to gap up opens 40,000 level, or if it trades above 40,200 or 40,250, then after that we can expect any kind of buying trade. As of now it looks negative to me. If it opens gap down or opens flat, then you can expect some selling pressure here also. Now let's look into 15-minute candle where you can take trade for buying or selling. So in 15-minute candle you can clearly notice here that from the last 1 week and 1.5 week it continuously shows negative movement here, and today it also try to closes below that 40,000 level, and it also label to closes below 40,000 level, and you can clearly see here that one trend line running off from that today's candle, and if it trades above that 40,000 or 40,100 level on Monday, then you can expect some buying trade here. Target will be around 40,000 to 350, so 40,400. But let's assume that if it opens flat and if it trades below 39,850 or 800, then you can expect some selling pressure here also. Target will be around 39,600 to 39,400. And if it opens gap down around 39,600 and shows any kind of positive movement, because from the last 6 to 7 days it shows some positive movement here, so if it opens gap down, then it may be show some positive movement there, then you can expect some buying trade here, and target will be around round level 40,000. Now let's look into Nifty in weekly candle chart. So in Nifty you can clearly see here that it looks more negative than Bank Nifty, because it try to continuously closes below that 70,800 or 500 level, and it also sustains there, and right now it trades around 70,460. So in this week it looks more negative, and if in the next week if it trades below 17,400 level, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around level 70,000, because previously it continuously took support from that 17,000, so it maybe goes there until 7,000 and maybe took any kind of support from that, and maybe show some pullback after took support from that 17,000 level. So now let's look into 1 day candle chart where you can take trade. So in 1 day candle chart you can clearly see here that from the previous 2 weeks it continuously took support from that zone, which is 70,400 to 450 zone, and from the last 2 days it also tried to close below that, but it could not sustain there. So my suggestion would be on Monday, if it opens flat or opens gap down and trades below 70,420 or 400, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 70,200. But let's assume that if it opens gap down around 7,400 or 350 and shows positive movement, then you can expect some buying trade here also, and target will be around 17,450 to 17,555. And if it opens gap up and it trades above 17,550 or 600, then after that it shows any kind of positive movement, then we will going to take trade for buying, and target will be around 17,730. So as of now in 1 day candle chart it continuously shows negative movement here. So if it opens large gap down, then it maybe show some positive movement here, but if it opens flat and trades below 70,420 or 400, then you can expect some buying trade here. Now let's look into 15-minute candle where you can take trade easily. So in 15-minute candle you can clearly see here that today market opens gap up and immediately took resistance from that 70,600 level, and in the last half an hour it shows kind of double pattern here and try to close above. So my suggestion would be on Monday, if it opens gap up or if it opens flat and trades above 70,500, then you can expect some buying trade here, and target will be around 70,600. But let's assume that if it opens gap up around 70,600 and shows positive movement or closes above 70,600, then you can expect some buying trade here, and target will be around 70,730 to 70,750. But if it opens gap down or if it opens flat and trades below 70,450 or 400, then gonna show some selling pressure here also, and target will be, as I said, 70,250. And that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. And if you wanted to take any kind of trade in Bank Nifty options, then you need to look into bank nifty components, which will going to help you to take any kind of trade, because they are providing movements to bank nifty. So if any of the four or three banks goes one sided or shows one sided movement, and bank nifty also supports that movement, then we can expect buying or selling trade as per the candle scenario. So that's all about today, guys, and if you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel, and let's meet on another video.